The competition here has been immense this year.
The whole purpose of Formula Bharat is to take some of the great enthusiasm that we have for Formula of Indian teams and give them an opportunity to compete, which is really more closely patterned after the international scale. The idea is to put Indian teams in level competition overseas, around the world.
Formula Bharat has brought Formula Student to India, and it has put India on the world map of Formula Student competitions.
Formula Student program is so amazing is because it's so real and connected to the industry. You have industry experts coming over here and telling you, teaching you the practices that you employ. You learn everything. You're doing a whole 4 years worth of engineering in just about a year in one season.
The Indian teams are fun to work with. I really enjoy talking to the students. They're receptive. They listen. They take action.
You're working on a real car, you're not just working on software anymore, you're not just limited to simulations anymore, you're actually working on a real car, you're using tools, you're learning new stuff. Since it's a big team, you're interacting with a lot of people, you share knowledge, you gain a lot of knowledge. So I think that part of a Formula Student team is what has shaped me the most into a new and way better version of myself.
This community has taught me a lot. With the help of Formula Bharat, we as a team transitioned from CV to EV, and this is what speaks a lot about this community. It's ever evolving, ever changing according to the industry standards.
Present year 2026, I just finished doing design finals for the combustion side, combustion class, and I think our winner in that category is really internationally capable.